blasting cabinet. Power on. Lights. Lots of messy wiring for the moment. 3 taps for draining. Pressure valve for the air. Wiper, squirter. Pedal for operating her. So submersible pump. Water comes out here, up through this pipe here, and in here. Then it splits. 2 lots of the water go back down and into the glass. You can see the glass bead in the bottom of the water there to agitate the glass bead up in the water. So then when that starts circulating, we get coming out this pipe here, which will go into the gun where it will meet the air. So when we press the pedal, brings in the pump, starts agitating up the slurry, and we start to get quite water coming out with the glass bead is in. See the glass bead building up on the pressure. Wiper comes on. Squirter's not working yet. Yeah, that's about it. Just need